You're local.
Oh yeah. We're from the Chicago area, but we all go to school here, so.
This is a cool room to like record a radio session.
I like it. Electric guitar. Electric guitar.
I am Todd Hunter, and I'm joined by the Ars Nova, and they will be our guests for the first hour tonight.
Here's a song. It's a story about how we decided to just up and go to St. Louis. Well, we've been a band for just a little bit over a year now. We do not have a CD yet. The recording that we've done is pretty much just a basement recording. Thank you very much. We're the Ars Nova. Thanks for listening.